I never knew anything about robotic surgery, but when I went through robotic surgery, it was successful and I recovered very fast.
At HCG, we pride ourselves upon being the cancer expert of India. As a cancer specialist, we have always been at the forefront of introducing new treatment techniques and technologies and changing the way the world sees cancer. Recently, we had another feather added to our cap. On the 1st of November 2020, HCG became the first cancer hospital in South India to complete 1,000 robotic surgeries. HCG launched its first robotic surgical system in the year 2016. A multitude of factors make robotic surgery a more promising treatment option over conventional surgical procedures. Here's what our specialists have to say about the advanced treatment technology and the paradigm shift towards robotics in recent years.
This robotic technology is one of the latest advances which has happened in the minimally invasive surgery. Way back in 2016 February, we got this Da Vinci SI system in our HCG hospital. After that, we have completed a umpty number of surgeries, almost touching up to 1,000 cases, and in GI surgery, especially we have touched up to 275 cases. This robotic technology has got a 3D vision, beautiful magnification, and good the range of movements with the 7 range of movements, and also endosuturing and articulation of the instruments, everything will be excellent. Especially this robotic surgery is very useful for a deep-seated lesion, for example, doing a sphincter preservation surgery in rectal cancer, where we can go almost up to the depth of 3 to 4 centimeters down and preserve the sphincter and give the we don't have to do the permanent colostomy. And also in upper GI surgery also, especially for the esophagus cancer, where the patient has got a lymph nodes in the mediastinum, and it has got a beautiful 3D technology where we can remove all the lymph nodes in the mediastinum with the robotic. And also in the stomach surgery and even in the colonic surgery also, it has got shown excellent results. And coming to the latest advances which has happened, probably usage of ICG injection, and also with the better the technology which is going to come, like XI and X instrument, is going to help us for doing a much more good robotic surgeries in future.
Today we are in a very interesting era and times of organ preservation. And when somebody talks about organ preservation in cancer today, what comes to mind typically is chemotherapy or radiation. However, in the current era, we've also, with the help of technology, been able to introduce robotic surgery, which is what we call the surgical way of organ preservation. And today it is because of robotic surgery that we are able to accomplish organ preservation the surgical way. Now, the importance of this in the current times is that robots have been able to assist, augment and accelerate human healing by a cooperative method by which doctors and technologists have brought together such an assisted technology. I must tell you all, last 1 decade back, we would never have thought of advances such as these. I remember 2 decades back when I washed up for my first surgery, it was a complete moment of excitement and exhilaration. Today, I see in front of me the robots wash up and I'm sitting with a cup of coffee next to that robot. I mean, imagine how technologies have actually transformed the way we give care. Now, how is robotics so helpful for patients? If you see, traditionally surgeons, we have small eyes and big hands. So we sometimes cannot reach certain areas with such precision. Whereas robots have an additional advantage that they have big eyes and small hands. So they are able to reach remote places and with such beautiful vision that you feel as though it's even better than the real tissues, that you are able to experience these particular areas of dissection. So you're able to refine these structures, see them much more clearly, and that kind of gives you a precision touch to surgery. And I'm glad at HCG we've been able to initiate the Department of Precision Surgical Oncology using robots today. And with this, I'm happy that at the time when we are completing the 1,000 surgeries, we've been able to use surgeries in head and neck surgery. Robotic surgery has been used in head and neck for thyroid, for neck dissection, for jaw related surgeries, to the extent that when patients today have been able to experience what we call the hidden or the concealed surgery scars. So I had one of my patients recently tell me that he didn't even inform some of his near and dear ones that he had undergone a tongue cancer surgery with a neck dissection because the scars just don't seem visible. And using an aggressive rehabilitation approach, we've been able to give him a near normal or a new normal life.
In uro-oncology, we utilize robotic system extensively to perform robotic uro-oncological surgeries. We utilize robotic system to do prostate cancer surgeries, bladder cancer surgeries, kidney cancer surgeries, testicular and penile cancer surgeries. The advantages of utilizing this robotic system has a lot of advantages to the patient as well as to the surgeons. When it comes to the patient, the blood loss is significantly less. Our blood transfusion rates from 50% it has come down to 2%, and the recovery is faster. The pain is very less to the patient. The overall complications are less, and because of this precise surgery, the overall outcomes when it comes to cancer control, it is slightly better compared to open or laparoscopic surgery. And we can do more complex surgeries, particularly when it comes to prostate cancer surgery. The narrow sparing radical prostatectomy can be best done utilizing this robotic system. It is not just to the patient, it is also to the surgeons. I can perform better, my precision will be better, I will be sitting and operating so that the strain on my body, joints and muscles will be significantly less. I can work for longer hours and I can work for more number of years. So these are the advantages not just to the patient, also to the surgeon.
I am a prostate cancer survivor. I did not know anything about robotic surgery till such time doctors at HCG briefed me on that, and I underwent robotic surgery for prostate cancer. Second day they made me to walk. I could walk, and recovery was very fast. There is no requirement of blood or things like that, and I what do you call it, on 24th day after my surgery I could play 9 holes of golf. That means to say the recovery was fast and there is no problem about this surgery. I would recommend robotic surgery for any patient who wants to have to undergo treatment.
With over 30 years of experience and more than 400 specialists in-house and millions of patients cared for, nobody knows cancer like we do.